my dear students, welcome back to the lecture. In this lecture we will see how to give the plinth beam bottom level while practically doing the execution. I told you that whenever we do the column casting, right, whatever column we have casted, we have to do till the plinth beam bottom. But how exactly we will come to know where is my plinth beam bottom? How do we try to check that level? So we'll try to understand that. So we'll try to see this video and we'll try to understand. See what these people are doing. This is called as a tube level, and in the tube level we'll try to fill the water. So in the most of the local construction we'll not be using the auto level and all. So with the help of this tube level we'll try to transfer all the levels. Okay. So what these people are doing, no, they're trying to fill in the water into this, and we know during our school days and all, we know how to fill the water. We have to blow the air from one side so that the water will pass through that, and it is a potential head what we have kept over that, right? And through that it's due to the rho g h, okay, which is not required, I'm telling you, right? Potential head you are keeping at the higher level, so the water will try to pass through this. They have kept the water here, got it? So now there is a water inside the bubble. Now you see how they are trying to transfer the level. So before that, let me give you a small idea. Yeah, see, yeah, okay. See, I will tell you one thing. The column what we are casting, no, that is the plinth beam bottom level. Okay. Now I have a road here. I want my plinth beam bottom level at a greater height. Whatever height I have, no, from here 2 feet height higher than that I want to transform my level. So what we are going to do now? So this is a road level, isn't it? So this is a road level what I have. From here I'll try to take a height of 2 feet. From the road level I want to have a height of 2 feet. Now there is no such rules that you have to take 2 feet only. We are taking 2 feet, and generally the plinth beam top level or the plinth beam bottom will try to keep 450 mm above the road level. 450 mm comes out to be how much? It will come out to be it will come out to be 18 inches, right? So usual practice is that what we are going to do. Here we are making use of 2 feet. Now you can see it here. This guy is marking 2 feet over that. How much? Yeah, not 2 feet. He is marking 30 inches here. Okay, 30 inches comes out to be 2.5 feet. Yeah, you can see 30 here. So this is 30 inches, which comes out to be 2.5 feet. Okay, you can see 2 feet 5 inch, and this is 2 feet 6 inch. Got it? So once you have got this level, the same level will try to transfer now. So what is the level? It is the top of the plinth beam what we have done. Okay, it's the top of a plinth beam. This is a level what we have, but I want to do a marking of till the bottom of a plinth beam, right? So to put it in a better way, let me not confuse you. See here, this is a road level what I have. From the road level to this height, this is a top. Okay, this is how much? It is 2 feet 6 inches. I'll write here 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, got it? Yeah. Now you see, I'll write in this way: top of plinth beam, TOPB is top of plinth beam, should be 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, that is top of plinth beam. Whenever we do the casting, I told we have to do till the bottom of the plinth beam. So bottom of the plinth beam, I'll write in this way: bottom of plinth beam. Plinth beam, how much it will be? Simple mathematics, 2 feet 6 inches minus what I need to do, whatever is the depth of your beam, whatever is the depth of your plinth beam. Let us consider the depth of my plinth beam is, let us consider it has to be 6 inches. I am taking a rough value to make you understand. Let us consider it has to be 6 inches. Then what will be my bottom of plinth beam level? So my bottom of plinth beam level will be 2 feet 6 inches. Yeah, 2 feet 6 inches minus 6 inches comes out to be 2 feet. Got it? So I need to transfer this level. I need this particular level to be transferred on the column. Getting my point? Yeah. So now what this guy is doing? Again, he is going to hold one end of the tube here. Okay, he is going to hold it here, and same level he is going to transfer now. So you can see the bubble, isn't it? So this bubble exactly it has to come here. It has gone up now. It will come here. Till it comes here, he is not going to tell the other guy to hold it there. So once it comes here, he is going to signal the other guy. Almost okay, it has to come anywhere, it's okay. Okay, this level it has to come. Yeah, got it? So it has come to this level. So now the guy on the other side, he is going to get that marking. Okay, whatever. Now if he is holding here, the bubble from here will try to fluctuate up and down. At one particular time it's going to come down. Okay, now you can see this guy, he has done a marking. He has done a marking here. Now just take your time and tell me what is that marking. So this marking is how much? Again, it's a 2 feet 6 inches marking. This marking what he has done, it's the top of the plinth beam marking. Okay, now what he is going to do, but which one we want? We want up to the bottom of the plinth beam. And what was your depth of your plinth beam? It was a 6 inches what I mentioned. Now this guy will measure 6 inches from there to the down. So this is your top of the plinth beam. Okay, and from here he is going to measure that. I took 6 inches. We'll see what exactly is measuring. He might be measuring 9 inches there. 6 inches I took for our reference. Yeah, you can see here, this is 8 inches and this is 9 inches. Got it? You can see 9 inches there. Yeah, 9 inches, isn't it? So this is that. Yeah, now this level what he has marked, no, this is my bottom of the plinth beam. So that is why I told whenever I want to do the casting, it has to the bottom of the plinth beam. Got it? This much things are clear for you? Yeah, now whatever level I got here, no, this I need to transfer. Now again same procedure you need to adopt. Yeah, so actually what happened is that pipe is falling short. So again they'll try to transfer the level on the other side. So you can see it here. What this guy is doing, no, that pipe is falling short. So instead of this, again they'll transfer the same level here. Now you'll get an idea. This level I want to transfer here. Okay, this level. So he's holding it here, and here you are going to get that level. Yeah, your bubble is here now. Okay, so this is that level. Again it's the same level, it's the bottom of the plinth beam, and now it will be easy for him to transfer the level. Yeah, so this is the column reinforcement what we had done, right? So I want to give a marking here on the column reinforcement, so that while I do the casting of a column, I'll get an idea where exactly is my bottom level. First this guy has to hold it here. Wherever this guy has done the marking is holding it. So you can see the bubble. Yeah, and now here also you'll get one more bubble. So I got a bubble here, and this is my top, this is my bottom of the plinth beam marking. So my column will be casted up to this height only. Okay, always remember that. So in this way we need to transfer all the level to all the columns that we can see it on practically on the ground. I hope this much things are clear to you. Now this is just for his understanding. Is trying to measure what is the height coming. You don't have to do all these things. I'll go forward. This is not required. Just to get an idea is doing. Now how do we see? Already has done the marking, but again the usual practice what we follow is that, okay, we'll try to keep the binding wire here. So this binding wire is an indication which will tell the labor that you have to stop the concreting up to this level. Okay, so in this way we'll try to transfer the level for all the columns. Now again you can see how it is being done. Yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you, whenever you do the column casting and all, this shuttering board what you can see here, right, that you have to do the oiling of that. You have to put a oil and then you have to do the column casting and all. Okay, you can see this guy trying to apply the oil here. Now you see here, this was the level what I got. Now from here to here I will transfer the level. Again same thing. Okay, so already we have transferred the level, and you can see here he has fixed it, that binding wire. So this is the bottom of the plinth beam level. Now again this guy will come, he'll come and hold it here. This guy will hold it here. Where was the marking we have done? Binding wire, we had kept it here, binding wire. This was a binding wire. So you can see the bubble. Yeah, we had a binding wire here. Yeah, right. So again from here you is going to get one more bubble here. So wherever the bubble stops, no, that will be the marking. You can see this guy is holding his finger here, and now he is going to tie the binding wire there. See, one thing you remember, whenever you do column casting, try to do a little 10 or 20 or 30 mm less than what you have done the marking. Let us say see, this is the marking what I have done. So you can do the column casting even up to this level, also you can do. There is no issue with that, but never try to do the casting of a column up to this level. You have done the marking here, but you should not do up to this level. Okay, then what will happen, this excess whatever you have done, no, you have to do the chipping of it, otherwise it becomes very difficult for you to keep your beam reinforcement. So that is why always try to do, if you try to do exactly, it's well and good, but never go beyond this marking what you have done. Yeah, again he is trying to transfer it now. So you can see here he is getting a bubble here, isn't it? You see here. Yeah, here it is. Now again at this particular point he will try to keep the binding wire. So with reference to one column you will try to transfer the level. Okay, so you can see where is the bubble stopping. The bubble is stopping here. So this is the marking. This is my bottom of the plinth beam. So I want to stop my concreting up to this level. Yeah, so I hope you have understood the entire concepts, how it has to be done. Quickly I'll try to run. So these people are trying to transfer it for all the columns. So again we'll see this one last column, and then we'll see how the casting was done for this particular area. Again see here, this is the point where we have done the marking. We'll keep it exactly here. Yeah, so once this is fixed, he'll give a signal to this guy, everything is okay, you can fix. Now here he'll get that bubble here, and that is the level what you want. Got it? Yeah, so I'll go forward. So we have understood almost all the things here. Yeah, so these are the level what we had, and then this guy has got the level. So in this way, how many columns we have now? Let us say we had almost 15 columns here. For all the 15 columns we have transferred the level in this way. So this is the last one thing we'll try to see. Where is the marking you have done? Yeah, here we have done the marking, isn't it? See, you have to keep that here, and from here this guy will get one marking, the bubble. So it's trying to fix that binding wire. Okay, yeah. So finally in this way, this entire columns whatever we had now, we have transferred the level. Yeah, now you see how that starter marking is done. We already understood, but it's okay. We'll try to see for this particular building how it was done. If you have understood, you can forward the video, no issues with that. But for someone who was not able to understand, you may get some clear picture from this video. Now you are in a position to explain me, so I won't be explaining anything. Just think what he's trying to do and you anticipate what are the things that you're supposed to do here. Okay, they got that point. Okay, so if I ask you how it is to be done in a bigger company, now you will tell me, sir, you have to make use of total station. If I ask you what is the local construction practices, you can tell me this is how we try to do in the local construction. You got a 2 point now. Try to connect that with the help of this right angle. See this thread, what you know, it has to be in touch with this line. Okay, only then you can transfer this level to the bottom. The main idea is to transfer the level. That's it. Again we'll try to verify whether the line what we have given is exactly correct. Now you can see exactly it is coming there wherever we have kept the right angle. That means whatever line we are going to draw, it is a correct line. Okay, I'll go a bit forward, so you can see he's trying to put the line. So here we'll try to see a very interesting part. These people are not putting the starter concrete, whatever marking they have done, no. So one side they have done the marking, they'll do the marking on the other side. Even marking also they have not done it completely, only two side marking they have done. For a small company it's okay, but it's not a right way of practice. I completely disagree with this kind of practices. Not a right way of doing. Since we all are engineer, we have to work according to an engineer and not like a laborers. So I'll be showing you both the things here. So let me finish it. Yeah, exactly, it is proper, no issues with that. Yeah, you can see now what they have done, this line and this line they have put, but this side they have not done, this side also they have not done, and they are not going to do it here, right? Yeah, and finally you see how they are placing the shuttering. Directly they are placing the shuttering, you can't even see the starter concrete here, right? So if you observe it here clearly, see there is nothing. I mentioned you that you should put a starter frame and then you have to do this. Again, this is not a right way of practicing. Again, you can't even see the cover block also here. Got it? So not a right way of doing. I'll go a bit forward, and this is how we know how we have to fix the, see how this entire column has got tilted, isn't it? Of course when they do the concreting they'll do it properly, but still you have not given the cover block, right? So there's a huge gap here and there's no gap on the other side. Yeah, and finally once the concreting is done, this is how that particular site is looking. So all these columns, yeah, now one thing, this level what we can see now, what is this level? This is your bottom of the plinth beam. Okay, this level is called as bottom of the plinth beam, and we know how we are transfer this level. See again, this since you are not given the cover block, no, it has completely got tilted here. Yeah, finally, once all the column has been casted, this is the time when we have taken the video, and you can see these people, like I mentioned, sometimes they keep this polythene sheet, right, and then they allow the water to stay there, and we'll do the curing. You can see how these people are doing the curing. See here. So all the column has been casted, but all the column has been casted till the bottom of the plinth beam. That is what I wanted to convey through this video, and we also understood how to transfer the level. Got it? And also the curing is being done there. Yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed the lecture up to here, and we have understood how to give the levels and all. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.